Hello everyone, Archana here, and I'm here again with another beautiful kit. And I have two kits this time. One is very cute one which I'm going to show you after this one, and this is, you can see all the beautiful things right now right here. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will see our papers and then I'll show you all the matching flowers and all. So this time this kit has beautiful papers by Pian Designs. I love Pian Designs papers. They are always very soothing and smooth and very beautifully designed papers. These are not very heavyweight papers, but they are really pretty. So let's check. So this collection called Cherry Blossom Lane. So you can see it is kind of vintagey looking images here. Beautiful and cherry blossoms. This kit has cherry blossom flowers as well as lots of roses. So rose and cherry blossoms together in this collection. So let's see, and they are double-sided papers. So back side is always kind of pattern paper side. And this one has little bluish designs, beautiful colors, and back side like this. And you can see all the roses, super cute, right? Very shabby chic, and some scripts along with roses, you can see. Very pretty. And back side is like this brick type of wall. Then here is a bouquet of cherry blossom on blue pattern paper, and back side. And then another beautiful pattern paper which has a blue very cute design, and back side. And you can see this amazing, all the roses. Oh my goodness, I love roses. And back side is in brown. And then this one has some of the pattern pages which you needed for your matting or covering the pages, right? So this one is in pink and this one is in blue. And then we have some ephemera kind of thing or journaling pages, you can see here. Very beautiful, amazing images, I love them. And back side. Then some vintage images here, dress forms, cycle or bicycle. Very pretty, lots and lots of things on here, you can see. I love this color. And back side, it's a beautiful lamp here, lantern. And same page in blue color. Cute. And then another journaling spot. So this collection is really beautiful, and this kit has 12 of these pages. And then I have included one of this butterfly tout sheet. You can see it has a pink and blue butterflies, and this collection has pink and blue, so I thought this page will be helpful for your decoration part. So this one is here. And then this beautiful Prima album. I love this album and the size of this album. Let's open it. So this is 9x6 album. Let me see one more time. So this one has 6 pages, and exterior cover is little bigger than interior pages. So it's 6 1/4 by 9, and inside pages are 5 3/4 by 8 3/4. So let's open. It's very cute. You can see all the pages, very nice chipboards. and I like just simple pages. I like the book style of this, like the size, and I like this vertical type, so that's what I inserted this album in this kit. And it is beautifully made. You can see it has some fabric spine here. And then I will show you some of the die cuts I have included. These are from Fantasy Dies and Scrapnik chipboards. So I have this sentiment, precious moments, so it can be your cover page. Then I have some roses here, super cute, and one more rose chipboard. So these two chipboards, roses and one sentiment. And then let's move on to flowers. Since this kit has roses and cherry blossoms, I have included both of them. And it has some blue flowers, but I don't have bigger blue flowers, so I have added these filler flowers, 30 of these. You can see they are double-sided. And I also have some of the cherry blossoms which are in white color, so you can use any other color. Like there are not many blue flowers, so you can color these cherry blossom in blue, so they goes together very well. So you can see these blue, and I also have these pink cherry blossoms that look so cute together. So I have 30 of these blue filler flowers and 10 of these large cherry blossoms in baby pink color. And then I also have 10 of these white cherry blossoms. And I have 10 of these two-tone rose leaves. And I have added 10 of these two-tone rose birds. Very cute rose hip birds. And another big pack of these 20 mixed pink tea roses, 40 mm of each, and they are tea roses by Wilder Kid Crafts. And you can see variety of colors. There are two tones, and these are the solid colors. Amazing tea roses. I love these tea roses a lot. I'm glad I'm able to insert whole pack in this kit. And as I promised, I have added this really cute punch. Okay, and I just wanted to mention I ordered these punches in bulk, and they came in wrap, like it doesn't have any packaging. They wrapped in bubble wraps individually, and they shipped to me. So I'm so sorry if you feel like this punch is like without any name or anything in my kit, if it's used or what. But believe me, these punches are brand new, never ever used. So this punch is included in this kit, and so I'll show you how it looks. So I have used for this album. So let's see if I have one cut out somewhere. Right here you can see. So this punch like that, like this, see. So you can just insert it and your picture will be secured. So this photo corner punch is really useful. So this one is here, and again I have limited quantity, and I promise these kits are ready to ship right now. Jane Memoir kit was very popular kit, and I had to order so many things again and create those kits, so it took a little bit longer to ship. I'm so sorry for the delay, but I tried my best to make sure all these kits reach to you, whoever ordered. I never cancel anybody's order. It is little bit delayed, but I tried my best to ship your kit. So but these kits are ready to ship right now. So if you order, your kit will be shipped within 2 days or same day, you never know. So thank you so much for watching, and I will show you the next cute kit. So please keep watching. Oh my goodness, this is super cute. I'm super excited to show them to people. Hi everyone, Archana here. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm here with this cutest kit. As soon as I seen these images, I thought this has to be a kit. Okay, so I'm very excited to show you. Let's get started. So first of all, as always, I'll show you all these cute pages, and here we go. So these pages are by Concertum or Concertim, and a collection called Cottage Garden. So let's get started. It's so cute, you can see. Oh my goodness, amazing, so super cute. I loved it. And back side. Wow. So this kit has 2 pages each, so quite a bit, right? 2 pages, amazing. And then this page, and back side. Just lovely colors. I love this springy kit. Like, of course spring is almost here, and this kit is perfect, right? So this one has bees, cute little bees, 2 pages, and back side. And these bees are you can see they are embossed. You can see these cute little wings. Yay, so cute, right? And this page, beautiful. It is also embossed page. You can see it's a glossy. And back side. And then this pattern page. We always needed these kind of pages for our kit to cover the pages and background, right? And then these cute little bird houses. I love these colors, perfect for spring. And then another bee page. So pretty. Back side. And then this one, you can see the sheen here, a golden sheen on this page. Very pretty. I love this page so much. In person, this page is super pretty. Also, there is a sheen on back side too. Very cute. Then some flowers. And back side. And then some. Oh, love this page too. You can see this sheen makes me happy. I don't know why. This is so cute. And back side, very nice golden page. And I have added 2 of these heavy chipboards to create your own album. Okay, so it's very easy. I have tutorial, or you can follow Rosa Kelly's tutorials. She gives really awesome tutorials. So many pages, and they are 2 of each. They are total 20 pages, so 10 design, 2 of each. And then I will show you. I'm so excited to show you this wood chipboard part, wood shapes, and they are so super cute. Means, oh my goodness, because of this chipboard part, I think I created this kit. Means papers are beautiful, but this makes me create this kit. They are so cute. Oh my goodness, you can see. Amazing. And you can see they are lightweight chipboards, and a fence. This cute little house. Look at those birdies. And then bird house. And the bouquet. A seed packet. A shoes. A rainbow, I mean. How cute. Oh my goodness. Super cute. Look at this one. Ah, and this big piece. Amazing, right? So all these chipboard pieces are including, and I'm sure so many of you have so many beautiful ideas for this kit, so I just can't wait to see all of your projects if you buy this kit. And then so another pack from this same collection, and it has 3D decoupage pages, and there are 10 sheets. So let's see, I will open it for you. And they are not pre-cut, you have to fussy cut them. Oh, they are pre-cut, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, so they are pre-cut. Our work is less here. You can see they are pre-cut. Oh goodness, you can see all these cute little pages. 1, 2 of each. Wow, nice. 1. So 5 designs must be here. 2. Oh, amazing. Oh, I love they are pre-cut. Oh god, so many less work. Super cute. Can see. And these, especially these small things, if it's already pre-cut, I'm done. Means I'm very happy. And then this cute page. Oh my goodness, look at these. How cute. I will get started my own album, but first I'll see if I have enough of them left. Then I will make mine. Oh my goodness, so cute. These birdies are like to die for. Amazingly cute. Look at, oh goodness, oh my goodness, I'm a little kid here right now. All right, so 10 pages, amazing, right? So this kit has 2 pages each, this one and these ones. And now let's move on to our chipboard part. Of course, I always include chipboard. So this is a cottage house. It's by Blue Fun though, but it is also a cottage house. It says stone cottage. So this big huge chipboard, it is pretty. You can see it can be your cover page, right? This one is here, and then I have added these Prima crystals. Super cute color, very nice soft color, perfectly goes with this. And now we will move on to our flowers. Since this kit has orange, purple, pink, blue, so I have added these small flowers by Prima. So many flowers in there. And let me move this here and we'll see. I'll just check. I'll just put it like that so you can see these matches. And then I have added another Prima pack which has lovely colorful flowers. These are a little bit bigger than this one. And then these flowers are most perfect flowers for this kit, since all these 6 colors are in this kit. You can see these are 6 different colors. Super cute. And then since it has vines and this one has a cute little butterfly and a purple flower and all these things needed for our spring kit, like sprays and leaves and birds, everything. So this one is here. And that's it. So this is cute lovely kit. I have 10 available for now. If they are sold out, I will make more, but right now I have 10 available. These kits are ready to ship right now, so please go ahead and check the link below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.